Good morning, dear students. Myself Miss Deepti from Dips Scroll Bag, and in today's lecture we will do the Geography Chapter 7, back exercise party, distinguish between the following. So let's start. First was the distinguish between the agro-based and forest-based industry. Agro-based industry, it depend on the agricultural products for their raw material, whereas forest-based industry, it depend upon forest products for their raw materials. Examples are food processing, dairy products, and whereas the forest-based industries, examples are paper, furniture industry. Second is large scale industry and small scale industry. Large scale industries, it required large amount of money, machine, labor, raw material, etc. Whereas small scale industry, it requires less amount of money, machines, labor, raw material, etc. Second point is it provide employment to skilled and unskilled large number of laborers, whereas small scale industries is there, it provides less number of skilled or unskilled labor than large scale. Third is example iron and steel and petroleum refineries in large scale industry, whereas small scale industries there rice mills and sugar mills are the example of small scale industry. Third was the metal based industry and the marine based industry. Metal based industry, these industry depend upon mineral ores for their raw materials, and point 2 is the example such as iron and steel industry, railway equipments. Whereas marine based industry is there, these industries depend upon the products from the the sea and oceans for their raw materials, and examples are seafood processing and fish oil industry. Fourth distinguish between was for joint sector and the cooperative sectors industries. So joint sector industries, these industries are owned and managed jointly by the state and the private firm or the individuals, and examples of joint sector industries are in Oil India Limited or Punjab and National Bank is the example of it. Whereas cooperative industries limited, these industries are owned and managed by a group of people who are the producers of raw materials, such as example are sugar mills in Maharashtra and Amul India Limited. These are the distinguish between of this chapter. Tomorrow we will do the F part of this chapter, that is the question answer part of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.